these skies of a different light.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki. I hope everybody had a beautiful holiday surrounded by lots of good company. Today is just a really quick how I ate today video. We are getting ready to leave the country. We don't do Christmas presents for each other or for our kids. Instead, we like to take them on a trip. Instead of accumulating material possessions, we prefer for them to see new places and meet new people. But I wanted to be able to get you guys out a video this week. So again, just a quick how I ate today, and let me know if you guys really like these shorter videos where you can just see my food. I love you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I receive lots of comments and questions every day, so much that I can't answer them all specifically anymore. So I am gonna start making videos where I can answer all of your guys' questions at once. Don't forget, you guys can follow me on Instagram at PlantifulKiki and on the PlantifulKiki page on Facebook as well. I always post more lifestyle and food inspiration there. I do post recipes and just, you know, boring pictures of how I eat most days, but you guys love seeing that. So I do post things that I don't have videos for on YouTube. So make sure you check me out there as well. All right, let's see the food. Okay, so for breakfast today, I'm having a nice bowl of purple steamed cabbage. I like to put these teriyaki aminos on it or just a little lemon. I also really love peach balsamic vinegar. For breakfast, of course, it's oatmeal. I love steel cut oats, the quick cooking ones. And today I have a banana that I always cook in it to sweeten it, and then pineapple, actually it's frozen pineapple, strawberries, and these brown rice krispies for a little crunch. And then I always have a tall glass of water and usually some herbal tea along with it as well. Alright guys, so for lunch today I'm having some baked potatoes with some steamed broccoli, green onions, and some mushrooms that I have sauteed with garlic powder and some vegan Worcestershire sauce. I also love a plant cheese on top, and I will link both videos that I have in the description box for that. Again, guys, this is not about counting calories or portion control. I do neither, and I've done neither. I just eat until I'm satisfied. If I want seconds, I go back for seconds. If I want thirds, I go back for thirds. Make sure you eat until you are fully satisfied. For my afternoon snack, I am having some sliced bell pepper, cucumbers, and these black grapes. I just needed a little something to hold me over until lunch. Make sure you snack as often and as much as you need to. Okay, and for dinner, guys, this is so simple. I just steamed up some asparagus very lightly. I made this chili raspberry sauce. It's so easy. I'll put it in the description box. And I am having some air fried hash browns. They're completely oil free. And then I added this corn and black bean salsa that I made. Again, I will put everything in the description box for you guys. It was absolutely delicious and so stinking easy. If you don't have an air fryer, all you have to do is pop it in the oven. And I love at night treating myself with these flavored coconut waters. I love them. They don't have any sweeteners or anything, but they're a nice fizzy drink. All right, guys, that is it for this week. Again, I will be out of the country next week, so if you want to see what we're up to, I will be posting regularly to my Instagram story and Instagram feed as well. So make sure you check me out there. And remember, guys, to keep this journey about health and not just about the skinny. You are worth so much more than just what the scale says. Remember to be kind to yourself and take it one day at a time. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
I'm coming home.